Michael Brenizer, Director of Purchasing here at inTech Trailers. We want to build all of our trailers in-house. Lots of places they hire out the frame part of it. We build everything here, so we have quality control. We use all tubes. We're not using C-channels and that kind of stuff. It makes the trailer sturdy. They don't fall apart. They have a long warranty. They last long, and if something happens to a trailer, it gets in a slight accident, it doesn't fall apart because of how sturdy it's built. So we do a number of different RV trailers. We have an off-road look with our flyers and our OVR. Those units have solar in it with our Xantrex Solar options. And then we have our tilt forward design, this trailer here. We have 3 different versions of that. Soul, kind of the medium size. And then we have a Luna, which is really small, towable that you could tow with like a minivan. We chose to use Xantrex initially when our customers were asking for solar because they're taking a lot of these units off-road, off the grid, and they needed power. And we went with a brand that we knew that the consumer and the industry just really appreciates and knows well. The consumers really wanted the high amp hours that lithium can provide. So we're putting in 125 amp hour batteries. The big advantage of the Xantrex lithium battery is its ability to last a long time in the off-road application. And one thing that we've learned about that Xantrex is wanting to offer, and we're interested because our customers are asking for it, is to be able to heat the battery. Because a lot of our off-road stuff people are using in the wintertime even. And the batteries don't last as long in the cold. And so if they can heat themselves up, that will help them last longer.